Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to safely disable Windows 10 telemetry to improve your privacy and performance. Let's get started. Step 1. Why disable telemetry? Telemetry is basically data Windows 10 sends back to Microsoft. While it's meant to improve the system, many users prefer to limit it for privacy reasons. So let's turn it down without breaking anything. Step 2. Open Privacy Settings. Go to your Start menu Settings, Privacy Diagnostics, and Feedback. Here you'll see two options, Basic and Full. Select Basic. This reduces the amount of data sent to Microsoft. Step 3. Turn off Tailored Ads. Scroll down and toggle off Tailored Experiences. This will stop Windows from using your data to show targeted ads and recommendations. Step 4. Disable Feedback Frequency. Now, set the feedback frequency to Never. This way, Windows won't keep asking you for constant feedback. Step 5. Group Policy Method. If you want to go one step further, press WinR, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Data Collection, and Preview Builds. Double-click Allow Telemetry and set it to Disabled. Barrier, and that's it. You've now limited Windows 10 telemetry and improved your system privacy. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tricks and tutorials.